HSI Professional Glider Flat Iron is packed with the most advanced technology to give you shinier, smoother results that last longer. We begin with the 1-inch wide heating plates, made of high-quality, durable ceramic that provide an ultra-smooth surface so that your hair glides through. The ceramic plates are then coated with Tourmaline gemstones that emit negative ions to give you a frizz-free shine. The ions work by breaking down water molecules so they more easily penetrate and hydrate the hair cuticle. The infrared heat generated by the ceramic tourmaline plates heats the hair from the inside and locks moisture into the cuticle, sealing the hair for a smooth, shiny finish. The glider is designed to protect your hair with integrated heat balance microprocessors that continuously monitor the exact temperature across the surface of the plates and automatically adjust the temperature for evenly distributed heat. That means fewer passes are needed for silky results while protecting your precious hair from overheat exposure. The fully adjustable temperature ranges from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing optimal performance for any hair type. The floating plates with curved edges continuously adjust the tension and angle of the plates to avoid snagging your hair so that you have full flexibility when creating sleek, wavy, or curly styles. The glider, designed for salons, perfect for home styling.
This is the new Bekind Apex. The novelty that nourishes, smooths, and shapes. With the revolutionary floating plates technology for you to have perfectly shaped hair. While the flat iron smooths and shapes, the intelligent combination of aluminum plates and floating technology promotes unprecedented conditioning. It seals the cuticles, eliminates frizz, and creates the perfect, long-lasting shape. Bekind Apex's rounded design is made to give you multiple styling possibilities for all hair types, colors, and sizes. Bekind Apex. Goodbye, frizz. Hello, silky hair.
Go straight or curly, the choice is yours with the MIRACOMB 3D Nano Titanium Pro Multi-Styler. An innovative 2-in-1 iron that offers ultimate styling versatility with nano titanium coated floating plates and different LED temperature settings for all types of hair. Quickly straighten your hair in one quick pass, leaving it healthy, smooth, and straight. Or get those beautiful bouncy curls you've always dreamed about in just minutes. The MIRACOMB 3D Nano Titanium Pro Multi-Styler. Now you can change your hairstyle with just one tool.
Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.